Motorized vehicles are really exciting, but that's not all about Tomica World. Now, look at those fun accessories that you can add and play with. This is a road and rail tunnel. This is a road turntable to change direction.
Oh, a train is coming. It's an express train.
A taxi is also coming.
Look at the speed.
Taxi, don't hurry so much.
The train's too fast too.
Watch out! Oh no, they're going to crash! Phew! That was close, thanks to the automatic crossing. We've seen so many exciting vehicles and accessories. Let's use our imagination. Let's connect rails and roads and extend our